Hey, wanna come with me?
Ew, no!
Okay.
Yeah, gross. I gotta go pee. Okay, hurry back, Julia.
For everything there's always reason, but it's never good. Never turns out as it should.
Hey, wanna come with me?
Sure. Are you kidding me?
The other day, your friend was the victim of date rape. How do you feel about this?
I hate date rape!
Tell me the word.